Welcome back to Roam Tips. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links from today's review are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're taking a look at Virgin Plus's internet offerings in Canada, found at virginplus.ca/en/internet. Navigating the site, you'll discover various internet plans designed to cater to different needs and budgets. Virgin Plus offers a range of speeds, from more basic options perfect for casual browsing and email, to lightning-fast fiber connections ideal for power users, gamers, and households with multiple connected devices. Exploring their website, you'll find details on download and upload speeds for each plan, helping you choose the connection that aligns with your usage patterns. Virgin Plus frequently has promotional offers available, so it's worth checking their website for current deals that could save you money on your monthly bill. They often bundle their internet service with other offerings like mobile phone plans and TV services, creating potential package deals that might be more cost-effective than purchasing services separately. Depending on your location, the specific plans and speeds offered by Virgin Plus can vary, so it's essential to enter your address on their website to see what's available in your area. Virgin Plus aims to provide reliable and consistent internet service across its network. In addition to speed and price, consider factors such as contract length, data caps, if any, and customer service reputation when making your decision. Researching customer reviews and comparing Virgin Plus with other internet providers in your region will help you make an informed choice about the best internet service for your needs. They also detail various modem and router options, so you can select equipment that matches your technical preferences and home networking requirements. Be sure to explore the Frequently Asked Questions (FAQ) section on the Virgin Plus website to address any additional queries you might have about their internet services. Remember to consider not only the advertised speeds, but also factors like customer service, reliability, and contract terms before committing to a plan. Keep an eye out for bundle deals that could provide additional value and savings. Choosing the right internet plan requires careful consideration of your individual usage habits and budget. With a little research, you can find the perfect connection to stay connected.